Hey guys, it's Wireless Productions here. Just picked up my Safecraft fire suppression kit from the factory. They were pretty cool guys, easy to work with. Their stuff's really good, made in USA. Here at the factory right now. They're really cool. I asked if I can film inside, but you know, all their stuff's top secret. So I'm gonna do the install on the car in the next clip, and we'll go from there. Hey guys, it's Wireless Productions here. Back at the car with my Safecraft fire extinguisher suppression systems. I got me a kit from them. I just got back from the warehouse. I'm gonna open it up right now. Let's see what's inside, and then I'm gonna install it for the car for the track day event I'm gonna go to tomorrow. I can only install the automatic kit. I don't have any time to install there's a pull version, but let's open her up and check out what's inside. Alright. Let's see what's inside here. Okay. So it comes with two kits. I'll show you guys here. The LTJ AA is the pull kit, and then this kit up here is the automatic kit, and it comes with 1.75 inch roll bar clamps. So that's the kit I'm going to install in my car. I'll cut it open just to see what's in there. Let's cut this one open. Like, these are brand new kits from Safecraft. I'm a dealer for them as well. So I'll do a review later, a product demo of what's inside, and the install afterwards. Like I said, I don't have a lot of time due to the track day coming up, but I'm gonna do a thorough review when I get back from the track day. But this is what's inside. At least it gives you guys a good view of what's in the boxes that come from the Safecraft if you order one. So this should be a 5-pound bottle. Comes in all these boxes. So there's another box within a box. This is a bench-made striker, by the way, if you guys are wondering. Made in US as well. Okay, so here's the kit. I see the clamps. These are the automatic fire sensor sensors. Here's the roll bar clamps. I'm going to install these right now. Should be another one. Just a set of 2 clamps. Nice billet aluminum, machined anodized. Here are the stainless braid lines. Really nice there. Here is a 5-pound bottle. that I got from Safecraft. So this stuff has 3M Novec 1230 fluid, which is great fluid. It's non-electrically conductive, and it doesn't mess up your components on your engine if it discharges there, or it doesn't leave a mess. They use the same stuff in museums, so it's safe for like textbooks or manuscripts or paintings or whatnot. So this is good stuff for fire suppression. Like I said, I'm gonna install this video, or I'm gonna install the fire suppression kit, the automatic version, within my car, and I'll do a video after it's installed. At least you guys can see what's inside the unboxing of a Safecraft fire suppression kit. But let me install this, and then I'll get back to you guys. And we'll go from there. And put this down so it doesn't fall. But thanks guys for watching.